Hi guys, today we've got a jelly bean challenge. And then Daddy, come in.
Hi guys!
We've got jelly bean.
So this is the jelly beans.
There's 36 flavors and I'll read them out.
Jacob's gonna read them all out, guys.
So there's butterscotch, pear, sour lemon, caramel popcorn, cinnamon. Now what does that say?
What does it say?
That yellow one.
There's quite a lot on this though. It's called Piña Colada.
There's
Everything in there.
wild cherry,
Wild cherry.
strawberry smoothie, so
What is that?
that one there.
That would be the sour kiwi. Ooh!
And pomegranate,
And what is that? Tangerine.
tangerine, bubblegum, grape, marshmallow, candy floss,
Cola.
cola, carabine,
Coconut.
coconut, passion fruit. Now the next one is banana split, cranberry and apple, Hawaiian pineapple, Granny Smith apple,
Granny Smith apple. Ooh!
tropical punch,
Oh yeah.
watermelon, blueberry pie, lemon and lime, English blackberry,
Yep.
raspberry jam, cafe latte, mango,
Cafe latte. Ooh.
licorice, and then the next one are mint,
Mint.
sorbet,
What's it? That's mint sorbet.
and pink grapefruit, strawberry, French vanilla, peachy pie,
And licorice.
and
I don't like licorice
and
stuff.
guys,
So
there's
we're gonna do
water-
it soon.
And guys, show them that. And we have a cup.
A cup of
So
water.
after we eat it, if it tasted bad, we can drink that.
I'll eat them. He won't. I will.
But-
Right, guys?
Guys,
Right, guys?
So first, we're starting with
No.
pear.
We need to get guests. What? No looking. Right.
No, this is all. I don't want to do it then.
I will have this. I don't know what is this though. But I'll tell you what. That tastes like kiwi.
No, it's pear.
Is it? Oh
And
yeah!
then marshmallow.
Next one.
That was a purple one.
Oh,
English blackberry.
blackberry.
English.
Oh. Oh, what is this? The yellow one.
Mango.
Yes, it's a mango.
Or Hawaiian pie.
It's a mango. Nice.
It's something brown.
What else? This one
It's
is...
coffee latte. Now, do you like coffee latte?
No, put that away if you don't like it. It's a coffee. What? Yeah. What's that?
Coffee latte.
The pink one I just had in there, it's called bubblegum.
Right. Pear or booger? Honey. Pear.
That's a bubblegum again. Oh. Tastes good. Next one, I would like...
Bubblegum.
It's a pink one. I got this. I don't know what's this.
That is lemon and lime.
No, it's a soury lemon.
No, it's sour kiwi.
You know this one there?
My turn. This one.
Was that orange?
It's
It could
orange.
be... Oh, try it. Taste it and tell me what's it.
Hawaiian.
Oh, it's that red one.
Hawaiian pineapple.
What's it? The red one's nice. That tastes a bit raspberry jam. Oh,
Tangerine.
oh yeah. That's
Next.
good. Last one for me, last one.
Caramel popcorn.
That's the yellow. But I don't know what's the yellow though.
It would be banana split.
Oh, that's
sour
banana.
lemon, or
That's banana.
green. Gone.
I think everything is sliced in there, but I'm avoiding the licorice because I don't like licorice.
I love licorice.
What's this? It's the white one.
Spicy it? Sour kiwi.
Coconut. Coconut.
Caribbean coconut.
Oh yes.
No, that's French vanilla.
No? Is it?
Yeah.
No, it's coconut though.
No, what do it look like then?
It's gone now.
Yeah.
It's coconut. And this one, I don't know what's that. Must
That's
be
blueberry pie.
Blueberry.
Or mint.
mint. Alright?
Minty.
No. It's blueberry pie.
Then, is it going to be the raspberry jam or strawberry or cranberry and apple or wild cherry?
I think that's a wild cherry. Last one!
That's cranberry and apple.
I still got the green one. I'm glad I've never got the licorice though. Because I don't really like licorice. But I'll get that. Oh, that's a sour. What's a sour green in there, Jacob?
I don't know.
Is that,
Yeah, kiwi.
it's a kiwi. Yeah. But anyway, guys.
Wait a minute, guys. I'm going to get something that I love.
I don't think so.
It said it. Wait a minute.
Oh, I need to drink water. Too sweet. Oh, that was close.
This one is a black one.
Ah, that's a licorice. Ah!
That does not taste like licorice.
Oh, God.
You try.
No, let me see. We're gonna have the half. Oh God, nah. I don't like licorice flavors.
Next one.
But anyway, guys, that's all.
Wait a minute.
Last one Jacob's got there. It's a green one.
Watermelon, but it's a wee bit sour.
But no, that's not watermelon then, because it's sour. It's kiwi. There's no watermelon.
No, yeah,
So, guys-
there's watermelon, Dad.
So get that one. The Jelly Beans
Alright,
Factory. It's 100% natural flavor, and it's all like gourmet jelly beans. 36 flavors,
And guys,
and all there.
so don't get too close. All
Yeah.
there.
All the flavors in there,
I'm
but
gonna
so,
top
apart
it.
from that black one there, that's
what-
the licorice. But anyway, guys,
And guys, I'm going to talk to you. Right, if you missed our Sweetie Candy tour and the town, that will be in the link in the script.
what?
in our channel circle. So
Yeah,
just,
so if you just keep following us, guys, and
And guys,
we're
if-
hoping like we're gonna get another vlog later on as
and
well.
guys, if you missed our Sweetie Candy and our town, just I'll be in the link in the description below, and just look in our circle and you'll find it. And it's going to be on tomorrow.
Should we make Jacob a YouTube vlog channel?
Yeah,
Ups
make
or
a
down?
circle.
Ups or down? Jacob's ups or down? His own channel? Ups or down?
Up.
Comment below what do you like? Up or down? Thanks, guys!
Or like this.
Or maybe. But anyway, guys.
Thank you
Bye! What? He's drinking the water.